Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Let's quickly make this yummy lasagna. So inside the hot oil, I will be adding some garlic and onions. Give it a stir. Add some rosemary. Stir to bring out the flavor. Once it has caramelized, add your meat. I will be using 400 grams of lamb meat and 400 grams of chicken meat. Stir it and add some carrots. I've already diced the carrots off camera. Add your tomato. I will add some bay leaf and basil leaves. Then I will also be grating in some nutmeg inside it. Just like so, you can use powdered nutmeg. After grating it, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of thyme. Then I will be adding some chili pepper. You can use habanero pepper or any pepper of your choice. Follow it up with 1 tablespoon of seasoning powder. I will also be adding some salt to taste. Then I will give this a stir to make sure that everything has combined perfectly well, just like so. Taste for salt. Then cover and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes till it is ready. Then after that, take it out. You can see the consistency is not that dry and is not watery. For the cream sauce, I will be using some butter or margarine. You can use vegetable oil. Once it has melted, add some flour to it. Stir and fry this for a while. Then add in your milk. I'm using cold milk. I'm not using hot milk. Then I will use my whisker to whisk it and stir it so that it doesn't form lumps. Then after that, I will grate in some nutmeg as well. After grating in some nutmeg, I will be adding some salt to taste. Then I will leave it to simmer till it becomes creamy, just like so. Then I will set it aside. Time to bring everything together. Inside your pan, I will be adding some creamy sauce. Add some lasagna pasta, just like so. Add some beef sauce and spread it around so that it will cover everything in the pan. After that, you can add your Parmesan cheese. Please try not to be stingy when adding the cheese if you want a creamy and cheesy lasagna. Then I will go in again with the cream sauce, just like so. I make sure that it covers everything in the pan. Then I will follow it up with the pasta, lasagna pasta. I will cover everything in the pan as well with it. Then I will go in again with the beef sauce. Just repeat the process several times if you can. But I'm making only 2 layers. You can make 4 layers. You can make 5 layers. Add the creamy sauce just like so. Then spread it around to make sure that it's covering everything in the pan. Then add enough cheese. When I said enough cheese, like you need to add enough cheese if you love cheese like me and if you want a cheesy and creamy lasagna. This is the first time I'm making lasagna for my kids, so I will cover it with a foil paper like so. Because I'm making use of uncooked pasta, I will be baking this for about 30 minutes to make sure that the pasta is cooked very well. After 30 minutes, I will take out the foil, put it back for at least 10 minutes, and voila, the lasagna is ready and it is giving what it's supposed to be giving. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share out the video as well, and also do the needful by subscribing on my YouTube channel. Share out the video to your family, your friends, your loved ones, and keep your notification to all so that you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.